5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Followed by back to original, back to basic step, close hold, back to here. The second step that we did, tango step, good. Okay, so we start from this position here. It's a basic. First things first, couple things. The tango step starts with a closed position. We're actually pulling. In order for us to work at the pull from this position here, fingers are curled on the left-hand side of the follower, pulling that muscle over. From here, once the follower is on this side, we're going to walk. Rotation. Allow the ladies to go right back to us and back to basic. Now, in order for this to be a true tango step, when you're in this position, gentlemen, you have to pop your follower out so that when she opens up, allow her to walk, pop her in place, and then back to the basic step again. The last step, of course, which is a Dominican step. For those of you who didn't know what a Dominican step is, I'm going to review right now. It goes from 1, 2, triple step. 5, 6, triple step. 1, 2, triple step, and 5, 6, triple step. How to do the triple step is very important. What you're doing is on 1, 2, 3, you're stepping back with the right foot, ladies with the left, and you're pushing forward. Same thing when you do the other step. Step back, push forward. When you're pushing forward, what you're doing is you're allowing that left hip to pop out backwards like so. Same thing around this position here. So when we're doing this particular step here, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And now in order to let the follower understand that she needs to bring her left leg, bring her right leg forward, gentlemen, we have to push her away and pull forward. If your partner ends up in this position here, it's incorrect. In order for her to bring her forward, it's simply pull forward like so. Once both of your feet are together and close, we're going to go for tap, heel, flat-footed toe, tap, tap, over, and sweep, and basic step. So to go over this all over again, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that concludes the patterns for tonight. Thank you very much. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. As of right now, it's going to be